3 new changes are coming to Spirit. With new management, it's making some changes to mimic traditional airlines. The changes includes extra legroom seats. Spirit is introducing a new extra legroom seating section with 32 inches of pitch, available in the Go Comfy Fare bundle. These seats will be installed across more than 2/3 of its fleet by July 2025, with full completion expected later. The extra legroom seating will span 7 rows in a 3-3 configuration, located just behind the big front seats, which is a 2-2 configuration. For reference, the current seating pitch is at 28 inches. These 4 inches make a big difference, especially for taller folks. Second is free seating upgrades. Starting in June, Spirit will offer free upgrades to big front seats and comfy seats for free Spirit status members and Spirit credit card holders. Based on availability, it will extend to 1 companion traveling on the same reservation. Third is 2 free check bags for Spirit MasterCard cardholders, beginning later this year. These changes are made to compete for passengers in a crowded airline industry. With former CEO Ted Christie departing the company last month, and with the new CEO of Spirit Airlines, Dave Davis, there will be lots of changes to the airline as he is moving away from the no-frills image. What do you think about these changes? Are more people going to start flying with Spirit Airlines? Make sure to subscribe and follow for more airline and travel news.